How to generate images in LM Studio. In this video, I am going to teach you how to generate images inside LM Studio, even though it wasn't originally built as an image generation tool. LM Studio is designed for running text-based AI models locally, but you can add image generation on top of it using a plugin that connects to Hugging Face's Inference API. This lets you create images with models like Flux and SDXL right from your existing LM Studio chat. Let's set it up. Step 1. Open LM Studio and head to the Plugin or MCP section, since image generation isn't built in by default. You'll be adding a text-to-image plugin that connects LM Studio to Hugging Face's image models. Step 2. Connect your Hugging Face account. This plugin uses Hugging Face's Inference API to actually run the image generation models, so you'll need an account there to authenticate. Step 3. Choose your model. Popular options include Flux and SDXL, both well-known text-to-image models that work well through this integration. Step 4. If you want a specific art style, you can add a LoRa, which is a smaller add-on model trained for a particular look, like anime or a specific illustration style. You can search for one by name and apply it alongside your chosen base model. Step 5. Write your prompt directly in your LM Studio chat. Be specific rather than vague. Name your subject, the lighting, the style, and the mood you're going for. Adding quality terms like ultra-detailed or cinematic tends to improve your results. Step 6. Use a negative prompt to clean up common issues. Listing things like blurry, low quality, or deformed hands tells the model what to avoid in your final image. Step 7. Generate your image and review it right inside the same chat session you're already using for writing or other tasks. No need to switch to a separate app. Here's a pro tip. If you'd rather keep everything fully offline instead of relying on Hugging Face's API, you can connect LM Studio to Comfy UI or Stable Diffusion Web UI running locally on your own machine, giving you image generation without an internet connection. So that's how you can generate images in LM Studio using plugins built for exactly this purpose. If this helped you